There are many ways to market a product or service, and providing the potential clients and customers with testimonials is one of the best ways to market your product. The power of testimonials can never be underestimated. People, especially nowadays, will only purchase products or available services which have been referred to them by people who they know. But most of the time, this is not an option that is in the hands of the business owner. He has to do the next best thing, which is get testimonials from his past clients. Testimonials are living statements from past customers or clients which states that they were satisfied by the product or service. Every business must have testimonials to be able to stand out in the ever-crowded markets. There are many benefits of having testimonials. Here are some of them. Testimonials appease your target market. Testimonials also lessen the doubts of your target market. There are a lot of scammers and con artists nowadays, and this has turned the market into a fearsome one. Credible testimonials provide security to the people who are looking at certain products or services. Being provided a testimonial gives people a much more relaxed attitude towards that product or service. Testimonials also assure quality. Aside from confirming the existence of a business and lessening doubts, testimonials provide assurance to potential customers and clients of the quality of the products or services they're looking into. The fact that they took time out to be able to write testimonials about the product reflect on their level of satisfaction towards the product or service. Simply put, testimonials give you an advantage. Credible testimonials provide a competitive advantage for your product or service. There are many products and services out there, and one of the ways to stand out from the rest is to use credible testimonials. There are also many types of testimonials. Testimonials are usually categorized according to the source. Here are a few examples. One example is a testimonial from a satisfied customer. Now, this is probably the most effective type of testimonial. And nothing beats a testimonial from a satisfied customer because it's a picture of what your product or service is all about. Another type of testimonial is a testimonial from an expert. Experts can be credible sources of testimonials. For example, if a renowned dermatologist writes a testimonial for a beauty soap, it will surely help boost its sales. Wouldn't you agree? Another great form of testimonials is a testimonial from a celebrity. In a world that's run by mass media, celebrities have become a very powerful source of testimonials. Today, even infomercials are infested by testimonials from celebrities. People may think getting testimonials from celebrities will cost a lot, but if it's a real testimonial, celebrities may even waive their talent fees. There's so much more to making a testimonial an effective tool for marketing than just gathering them. Good testimonials are ones which can be compressed into a few catchy words. I lost 20 pounds in 2 weeks' time is an example of an eye-catchy testimonial. However, you must never rephrase or edit what the client has said. Now, how to get the right kinds of testimonials will be discussed later. Credible testimonials should also contain the complete attributes of the people who gave them. Their titles, location, and age should be included whenever possible. Visual appeal will also be a great help in using testimonials. Now, if your clients are willing, it's good to have them take photographs or videos for their testimonials. So I know you're wondering, how does a business owner get started with the whole testimonial thing? Here are some steps on how to archive testimonials. Before anything else, only products and services with outstanding quality deserve testimonials. So you must make sure that your product or service possesses exceptional quality. Another way to get testimonials is to just ask for the help of your customers. You must be able to communicate to your customers your need of getting their testimonials. And if they're already satisfied with the products or services you're offering, they would be more than willing to participate. Once they're willing to participate, you need to interview your customers. Ask them questions. Ask them what do they like about your product or service and why they chose your product or services, and other questions like these. Also, don't be afraid to ask them if they would be willing to write a testimonial for you. Now, you can offer to make the testimonial yourself based on their responses during the interview, but the testimonial is still up for their approval. You may want to make the wordings catchy and let them approve the testimonial. Ask them if it's okay for you to record the testimonial either via tape recorder or video camera. Now, a video testimonial is better, but of course, many people are camera shy, and this can be a limited option for most people. Next step in the process is choose the best testimonials. Use the best ones so you can maximize the benefits that your product can get from the testimonials. Testimonials are very powerful, and this is the reason why every business should have them. They provide assurance and security and reflect the real essence of your product or service. Thank you so much. Have a great day.